Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rollover protection system. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power windows, cargo area light, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.